Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Go in Freelance, Building and Branding Your Own Success. Lecture 7. Introduction. Setting realistic goals and deadlines. Prioritizing tasks and managing multiple projects. Developing effective workflows and systems. Dealing with distractions and maintaining focus. Conclusion. Introduction. Welcome everyone. As freelancers, we all know that time is money. It's crucial to manage our time effectively in order to be productive and successful. But let's face it, sometimes it can be hard to stay on track and get things done. That's why today, we're going to talk about the importance of time management and productivity and how we can improve in these areas. We'll cover some practical tips and techniques that you can apply to your work as a freelancer. But first, let's take a moment to think about why time management and productivity are so important for us. Setting realistic goals and deadlines. Setting realistic goals and deadlines is crucial for freelancers to stay productive and motivated. It's important to be honest with yourself about what you can realistically accomplish in a given time frame. One tip for setting achievable goals is to break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This not only makes the goal less daunting, but also allows you to track your progress along the way. Another tip is to prioritize your goals based on their importance and urgency, and then set deadlines accordingly. Prioritizing tasks and managing multiple projects. As a freelancer, it's important to prioritize tasks and manage multiple projects effectively. One effective technique is to use the Eisenhower matrix, which involves categorizing tasks based on their urgency and importance. This helps you focus on the most critical tasks first. Another helpful tool is project management software, like Trello or Asana, which allows you to organize tasks by project, assign deadlines, and track progress. By breaking down larger projects into smaller tasks and assigning deadlines, you can ensure that you stay on track and meet your goals. Developing effective workflows and systems. Developing effective workflows and systems can help freelancers become more productive and efficient in their work. By creating a clear process for completing tasks, freelancers can save time and reduce stress. To create an effective workflow, start by breaking down your projects into smaller tasks. This will make it easier to manage your workload and ensure that you are making progress towards your goals. Then, prioritize your tasks based on their importance and deadline. This will help you stay focused on what needs to be done first. Next, consider using tools and software to help streamline your workflow. For example, project management software like Trello or Asana can help you keep track of your tasks and deadlines. Time tracking software like Rescue Time or Toggle can help you analyze how you spend your time and identify areas where you can improve your productivity. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different workflows and systems until you find one that works best for you. Everyone works differently, so what works for someone else may not work for you. Keep trying new things and refining your process until you find what works best for you. Dealing with distractions and maintaining focus. As a freelancer, it's easy to get distracted by social media notifications, emails, and other interruptions. But staying focused is essential for meeting deadlines and achieving your goals. One strategy is to set specific times for checking emails and social media, so they don't disrupt your workflow. Another is to use tools like noise-canceling headphones or apps that block distracting websites. It's also important to take breaks and recharge your energy throughout the day. Going for a walk, doing some stretching exercises, or simply taking a few deep breaths can help you stay alert and focused. Remember, distractions are inevitable, but how you deal with them can make all the difference in your productivity and success as a freelancer. Conclusion. In conclusion, time management and productivity are crucial for freelancers to succeed in their careers. Setting realistic goals and deadlines, prioritizing tasks, developing effective workflows and systems, and dealing with distractions are all important aspects of managing your time effectively. By implementing the strategies and techniques discussed in this presentation, you can take control of your schedule and achieve your professional goals. Remember to stay focused, stay organized, and stay motivated, and you will be well on your way to success as a freelancer.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.